Okay, today we're going to learn about how to remove a node from linked list. This will be basically search and remove using index. So we will pass index value on the argument and then try to look for that index node. So yeah, let's start with this dot removeAt. We'll pass the index right here, and then we will check if the index is within the range. Index is less than or equal to 0, or index is larger than or equal to the length. If that case, if one of them is true, or if they are not, if the index is out of range, we will return null. So that takes care of the range constraint. And the next one will be current node, the head, and yeah, how can we remove a node within the linked, inside the linked list, right? So for example, well, first we will have to check if the current index 0, right, is the target that we are looking for. So if it is, then we will just remove the nodes, the index 0 node, by reassigning the head to the next node. Yes, as simple as that, because the garbage collector will take care of the index 0 node, right? So we just reassign it into the head. We reassign the head into the next node, which is basically, let's say, a linked list of A, B, C, right? Then if we are the target is the target index 0 is A, then that A will be removed automatically and take care of by the garbage collector. So we just basically reassign the head into the next node, which is B. So the next linked list will start from B, and it will be BC, right? So if it's not the index 0 that we're trying to remove, let's say index 1, that will be B, then we will have to traverse the linked list. So let's traverse right here an else statement. Okay. So in this statement, we're going to use for loop for find the elements. So we will start from a 0 index and then range, basically. Find element, and it will be less than index. So find element will be, let's increment that, and then we will have to still maintain or track the previous nodes, which is before the target node, right? So once we reach that index, we will have to remove it. Okay, so previous node will be equivalent to current node, and then current node have to traverse until that index is reached. So it will be next. Yeah. So now once we reach that point, we will have to reassign the nodes into, basically, disconnect and reconnect the change of the length, basically. So yeah, if once we found the B, so the target index 1, that will be B node, so that will be removed, and then now we are just basically connecting node A and node C. So Now previous node dot next equal to current node dot next. So that's how we remove it, and we will have to decrement the length and then return the node that we just removed. So yeah, the current node will be stay the same. The target, it will be just like traversed, and then it will be that node, the target node. But the next will be that will be C, right? This will be A. So connect that AC, right? Remove the B, so this will be B. So yeah. Okay, now that's how we remove index. No. Let's try and see if this functions work correctly or not. Control Enter. And yeah, there you go. There we have it. That's the answer for how to remove a node using index.